Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews. Today we're going to go over something a little different. It's kind of a meal prep day. A lot of people ask me, what's the best way to cut weight? And I always say that it's prepping your meals. In fact, we just prepped. Let's see what we made here. This is in a FarSmart. These containers are actually $12 for 15 of them. And you can do all your meal prep for the next day. So like this is something that I would have ready for lunch tomorrow at work, or I could put some eggs and some bacon in here. But essentially, microwave it for a minute and a half, and you've got, in this case I put 5 extra large shrimp, I don't know if you can see that, and some rice for tomorrow's meal. Now not only is it convenient, but it's cost savings. You know, instead of going out to lunch tomorrow, you know, half a dozen shrimp at the grocery store is going to cost you about $3. A little bit of rice, that's 50 cents, so you're eating $3.50, maybe $4 for a good healthy meal that you can measure out the calories. Now you're getting a lot of protein, not a lot of carbs. Another one that I did that I can just throw in the microwave, again, this would be shrimp because shrimp's easy to prep, but it's shrimp and I've got some corn. You can put some lentils, something like that over there. Check that out. And you know, also I need to pick up some chicken. You can buy that grilled chicken kind of in the deli section. It's already cooked. But essentially put a salad in here. And these little containers by FarSmart, put some lettuce, put some cheese, some salad dressing, and your chicken. I haven't put the chicken in yet, but these are great little containers. Now what I personally do is I make 4 of these meals a day. I'll do an entire week's worth of cooking at once. I'll buy a dozen eggs, so for breakfast, I'll split that across the week, put some ham and cheese in there, cook them up in the skillet, throw them in one of these, and then have my breakfast lined out for all week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then for lunches, you know, I might, in fact in the fridge right now I've got about a dozen pork chops that I can chop up, grill up, put some barbecue sauce. What I do is I'll cook them up, and then right before I throw them in the microwave for a minute and a half, put some barbecue sauce on them. Put that with a vegetable. You can put some asparagus in there, something. Another one that you can actually do is you can take some of these, you know, these kind of Stouffer's meals that are like sides. Cook up one of these in your microwave for your meal prep. Split it between 3 or 4 meals. It's a little bit of a starch. Gives you a little flavor. It's fairly cheap. And you can measure out your exact calories. So if you do, I always do 4 meals a day. 7 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then 7 p.m. So you're not needing that snack throughout the day. It's a really, really good option if you're looking at cutting your calories down, because you can figure out exactly what a 400 calorie meal looks like. And it may be a little bit of corn with a little shrimp. It may be something different. Maybe a salad with some chicken. It may be, you know, some eggs and bacon. But if you do 400 calorie meals a day, don't do a lot of snacking, because you have a meal coming every few hours. You can cut your calorie consumption. A lot of people are taking in 2,000, 2,500 calories. You cut that back to 1,600. You do that for a week, you're going to lose a pound or 2. You do that for a month, you can lose 7, 8 pounds pretty quick. So anyway, folks, I'll go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. I absolutely love these. They're easy. You meal prep, you put it in your fridge, you stack them up. They don't take up much space in your cabinets. I didn't plan to do this, but when you don't put things away and you got all your different Tupperware, it takes a lot of space, right? The nice thing about these, when you put them away in your cupboards, they don't take up much space. Then you put them in your fridge, you can stack up your 20 meals for your 5-day work week, have them ready to go, and you're not rushing out like, oh, I'm hungry, what am I going to eat tonight? Let's order a pizza, oh, let's stop at McDonald's. You're not doing that, because you can figure out what you want to eat. Oh, you want those pork chops? Grab the pork chops. You want, you know, you can even do like grilled chicken, even maybe some chicken strips. Just try to keep it about 400 calories a meal, and you have 4 meals a day that you can snack on. You cut the weight, you're looking good, you're feeling good, and you always have something healthy and cost-effective ready for you. You can do this, honestly, you can do a lot of these meals. I mean, the salad, that's like $2, $3, you know? Is a great way to meal prep, cost efficient. I'm gonna put the Amazon link in the description below. I recommend you pick up 2, because I mean, what are you gonna do? You have 15 containers for $12. Pick up 2, have 30 containers. That way if 1 or 2 is dirty, you don't have to worry about it. They stack up real neat. Get rid of all that old crappy Tupperware that's clogging up your cabinets. Pick this up, it's a great deal. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam, this is 911 Reviews. If you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor and do yourself a favor. It's a fun channel, we always try to entertain you, so click that subscribe button, click like, and we're out of here. Adios amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.